Hello, my name is Khurram, and I am a top-rated B2B lead generation freelancer on Upwork. Over the past 10 years, I have helped many companies build cold lead lists, email lists, and contact lists customized to their specific needs. In this video, I will show you how I generate an industry-focused B2B contact list. For this demonstration of my B2B list building process for an industry-focused list, I've chosen the category General Contractors in Los Angeles, California. Let's search for this on Google. You'll see many results under the Businesses section. Now, let's click on More Businesses. Here, we have a list of businesses. This is different from Google Maps or regular search results. These are Google Local Services Ads, LSA, which feature verified businesses offering local services. To fetch these results, I use my favorite Chrome extension, Instant Data Scraper. I open the scraper and click Start. Wow! It has pulled all the business data from Google Maps. I'll train the scraper to click the Next button and keep gathering data. Now, I click Start Crawling to begin the data extraction. As you can see, the crawler is working and pulling data into the scraper's data panel. Since this is just a demonstration, I'll stop the scraping process here. Now, I copy the extracted data and paste it into my pre-built template. Although the data fields are already well structured, some cleaning is necessary to remove inconsistencies, duplicates, and formatting issues. Cleaning and organizing the data properly is crucial because it ensures accuracy, makes filtering easier, and creates a well-structured contact list. A well-organized and clean dataset is especially important when exporting data into CRMs. It ensures seamless integration, prevents errors, and makes the information more accessible for sales and marketing teams. Now, let's search for a few decision makers to complete this demonstration. First, I open the website of the first company on the list. Their email address is displayed in the top right corner. Since it is a free email address and publicly listed on their website, there is no need for email verification. Next, I check the About page to find the owner's name. It is available here, so I copy it into the spreadsheet. Now, I search for their LinkedIn profile on Google, and the first result matches. I copy the LinkedIn URL into the spreadsheet as well. Moving on to the next lead, I open another company's website and go to the About page. The contact person's name appears in a YouTube news heading embedded on the site. Now, I try to find the email address on the contact page, but only a general info email is listed. To find the contact person's direct email, I use my trusted tool, Mail Tester Ninja, a powerful email finder and verifier. I input their name along with the company domain, click Ninja Find, and the tool provides a verified email address. Finally, I search for their LinkedIn profile on Google and add it to the spreadsheet. And that's it. I have shown how to build a high-quality, organic, and verified lead list using Google Maps or Google Local Services. This was just a demonstration of my process for generating contact lists. Do you need prospect research, B2B list building, or email list building for any industry? Share your requirements, and I will handle the rest. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.